Hi, this is second grade lesson 23, and today we're working on plane shapes. Name each shape and fill in the blank. So for number 1, we have this one over here, and it is a square. So we write square, S-Q-U-A-R-E. And we have to find out how many equal sides it has. So we're going to count the sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 equal sides because it's a square. And count the right angles. So one's over here. Over here, that's 1. This is 2, 3, and 4. So 4 sides and 4 right angles. We're going to try number 3. It's a circle, right? We write circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. And number of sides, this would be 0. And angles, it does not have any angles over here, so we put 0. So the answer would be 0, 0. And we're going to move on to the next page. We have telling time. Draw the hands on the clock by matching the time given. So we're going to try number 1. To find out the minutes, we're going to work on the minutes first. So this would be 0, and it goes up by 5. So we add 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 25 plus 5, 30, 35, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, this would be 60, but when you write it down, it is 0. So it says 20 over here, which means that the minute hand should point at 4, because 4 represents 20. So the minute hand is a longer hand, so we draw the longer hand pointing at 4. Okay, and the shorter hand, we just have to look at this number now, this one. It says 1, so this is going to be between 1 and 2 over here. So it would go right over here, the shorter hand. Okay, we're going to try one more. We're going to do number 6. Number 6, we have 8:15. Again, we write the minute down to help us. So we do 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15, which is over here. And 15 is 3. So we have to make the longer hand point out 3. That's 15. And now we're going to work on the hour hand. That is 8. So it needs to be between 8 and 9. So it's a number bigger. And we would put it right between 8 and 9. So like that. Okay. Now next one we have reading pictographs. Read the pictograph and answer the questions. Lucy and her friends collect marbles. This pictograph shows how many marbles they have. How many marbles do the friends have in all? So we're gonna count. Lucy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Olivia 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. They have 18 marbles. And who has the most marbles? Let's write down how many marbles they have next to their names. So here, Lucy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna write 5, and then Olivia has 1, 2, 3, so 3. Abigail has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And Madison has 1, 2, 3, 4. So who has the most marbles? It would be Abigail. So we write her name. Abigail. Okay. And we're going to try number 6. How many marbles do Lucy and Abigail have together? Which means that we have to add Lucy's marbles. So this one. And Abigail's right over here, which would be 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. So you write 11. Now, word problems. Jacob is a farmer and he has 30 sheep and 21 goats on his farm. Some of his sheep and goats escaped from their pen. If Jacob still has 38 sheep and goats on the farm, how many escaped? So we know that there are 30 sheep and 21 goats. So we have to add 30 plus 21. 30 plus 21. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. So there are 51 altogether. And some of them escaped, right? And he still has 38. So we're going to have to do 51 minus 38 to find out how many escaped. Now we can't do 1 minus 8. So we're going to borrow 1/10 from the 5. This would turn into 4. And this number would become 11. And 11 minus 8 is 3. So we put 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 13 escaped. Okay, thank you.